video is made in order to show you the differences and similarities between English and Spanish vowel sounds. First of all, it is important to remember what a vowel is. A vowel is a sound pronounced without air obstruction in the vocal tract. The main resemblance between English and Spanish vowels is that both are voiced. Another similarity is that both in English and Spanish there are no nasal vowel phonemes. In my observation task, I could find some perceptible differences. I'm going to list them. First, the number of vowels. Second, phonetic versus a phonetic language. Third, the length of vowels and stress. And fourth, diphthongs. The number of vowels. Spanish has 5 vowel sounds and English has 12. The Spanish vowel are the following. A. It has the same sound that the A has like the word father. E. Like the E sound in the English word wet, led, or set. E. It must be pronounced with the same vowel sound like in the word free, tree, or me. O. The Spanish O is always pronounced like in the word show. U. The sound of the Spanish U should always be pronounced like the vowel sound in the words you or who. The English vowel sounds are E, like in the word heat. E, like in the word hit. E, like in the word head. A, like in the word hat. E, like in the word the. R, like in the word bird. A, like in the word cut. U, like in the word shoe. U, like in the word put. O, like in the word saw. O, like in the word hot. And A, like in the word hard. Phonetic versus a phonetic language. Another big difference in these languages is that while Spanish is a phonetic language, which means that word sounds as they are spelled and are spelled like they sound, English in contrast is an aphonetic language. You don't read like you write. That is why Spanish vowels are always the same in sound. In English we change the sound of our vowels frequently. For example, her versus here. Both S's are pronounced differently. In addition, there are no silent vowels in Spanish. All vowels sound are pronounced. The length of vowels and stress. The length of vowels and stress. In English, the length of the vowel sound plays an important role in distinguishing between words, such as sheep and sheep, beach and beach, so on. Moreover, in English, unstressed vowels are always reduced. Stressed vowels last relatively longer than unstressed. For example, Japan and Japanese. This contrasts with Spanish when the length of the vowel sound is not an important feature. In fact, in Spanish all the vowels are the same length. For example, Ana buscará la lana, pero no la encontrará. Furthermore, in English is not used the orthographic stress accent. Diphthongs. It is two vowels blended together to produce one sound. In spite of the fact that English has fewer vowels, there are more diphthongs than in English. Spanish language has 14 diphthongs, while English has only 8. Thanks for watching the video.